Alala bakama baifa abakulu abandi webakati wogema ko yo tufanile kabiri twata ku ni mwami mwaka eyali teacher w'ekisubi atagano list eyo nga bwogiringirira nibanonderamu omuntu mba ninzani kabiri era kye nakola nabuuza ba OB timwe na mwana nababuuza nti are you ready to now take over your school kwamba ensasiranga ino mukulu wango. In one of the weaknesses I've seen during our time, that we have not engaged the OBs and OGs. Technically, tutuba welcome. I don't know why. Now you have the chance. Here is your school. Era ba OB baimwe babiri basatu ndi bakubira PSA isimu bajja nayo. Bakati fe twendani. Esomero lino bali waire mwami beni waiswa. Nga number 1 gwera lintale ku list OBs mwakoba nti binono obwire bwaimwe mwena mundaba OB kyabaki abalungi bamubaleetere wuyo nga liri mu isomero lino nga liri mu bank twali approvinga nga board bana ndi mukyamu and we had a reason wona asoma minutes imwe ba auditor kumala agundi eyo ni mutufu n'okukubalangi ku bibiina wasn't that the way we were told? Yes. The auditors will tell us whether that has happened or not. For us, we are policy people. Several Isaac, as a board, you're not going to see us in your school. Come here and mess it up yourself. You will not be here. This board, nobody will come here to ask for a job from you because none of them has a contract in the school. Like other boards I know of. The didn't biteria abali kusaba canteen kuli eyo abali kusaba kino tuwemere to supplying. Follow the law when you are managing this school. If it tubaniwe, even the former head teacher, we never interfered. Where you buy your maize, whether you do what, but paramount importance, respect your colleagues. The fact that you are head teacher does not mean that you are the brightest. You are not. You were a very lucky man to manage the biggest school in this country. Very lucky, let me tell you. But that luck has been worked for. I have very many offices, by the way. So I used my other offices. I didn't want to soil my board. I used my other offices. Nawandikira minister nakola research yali nene ere baluwa etirowooza nga yali ikinga dinedindi dilikinze nawandika confidential letter wa minister namukoba nti ku bantu banno bempulire mutulondere mu headmaster gwe munakola ki asinga obulungi bino betuli mutu byakulimba namba ndala yali beni waiswa nga nimwe mumunkoba abasoga bene ndi mukyamu ali eganga hayi asavinze myaka 10 abuza myaka 35 kuli tayaringa nze mulimo gwaye nga ntaku ni characteristic namba 2 yali ono zemba letikaidi akasadaka. Actually the only person who introduced me this command, this one here, is the former head teacher of the school who told me that this is one of the best promising head teachers. If I'm a liar, you tell me. I know nothing about this man. Frankly, I know nothing about this man. And I have told him, I'm your friend when you are doing the right thing. The moment you do the wrong thing, I'm not your friend. No way. Sema tukuidi, isomero dakulifuga, titujja kukuingirira, tuli mikwano jongo likole kitufu. Lona akole ensobero onampulira. Ntimba mukoira. This school has been a very stable school. I happened to participate in the bringing of the head teacher who is leaving. Yeah. I participated. Actually, I was the lead. Yeah. I also participated in finding the chairperson. He knows. We had to sit. The school was going. Yeah. It had been mismanaged by a Busoga. Don't think that by getting a Busoga, you have good management. That's another issue. It had been mismanaged by our own brothers. And we had to conspire. He knows how much he had to convince me. The PS of education had said, I'm tired of that school, let it die. Then luckily I said, PS, the person we are selecting as board of chair is your Moko. He said, yeah, he's my Moko, bring him over. So I had to take Honorable Gumi. We had to ask a whole chairperson to become a member of board to maintain this school. And the chairs and the board have done one thing to protect the head teachers here. You have not had any of our data leaning outside, other than this one last week, when I got a little bit disappointed by what I was hearing. We have supported our head teacher. This board will support you. And from the time I became chairman, my members can tell you, I always talk about succession. Madam head teacher, how are we handling succession? Because it's a very dangerous thing, and you can see now. I am handing over the school, but the former teacher is not here. It tells you that succession is a very terrible thing. It's not easy, sometimes we misunderstand. But a handover does not need the fact that I am here. The President of the Republic of Uganda is here because the minister is here. There. When I stand here, I am the minister. By appointment, I represent government. And my duty is to show you the head teacher. Others are details.
The Savior has come. A simple but spot-on head teacher. All of the support staff, all of the students, we are going to be one. Nobody should deceive you that the students are going to strike. Not at all. The would-be strikers, get me right, the would-be strikers are our sons. We, the mature OBs of the early 90s. By default, I'm going to teach my own children. So how can the children riot against their father?